Hello, and thank you for tuning into another JD channel video in which today we are taking the dusty e46 peel-coated plasti-dipped car to the car wash to get rid of all this dust. That's the only downfall with the peel coat. It does attract tons and tons of dust, but with the flakiness because of dust on the paint that I repainted, we're going to take this to a special car wash that uses no brushes. So let's head out. Got my car wash code, and there's a line for the car wash, so hopefully this doesn't end up as bad as I think it might, but all the paint's cured for a while, so just direct spray should be good. This is a, what is it, a brush-free wash, so this should be more forgiving than the other one. Free mist. It's about to enter the code in. That looks trippy. No, it looks like a new dash cam. Just waiting for the first car wash with the Plasti-dip on. Laser car wash. Alright, and now we are good to go. Okay, so have it go scan the car. at the ATM. I'm gonna go check out how the car wash did to the car. Not bad. Didn't take anything off. Really? No, it's water. Not bad. Heard something in the back. I didn't see anything. It looks like we're good. Oh, it took off a trim piece. Oh shit. I gotta go get a new one of those. Oh well. That's kinda interesting. How the hell did I lose the trim piece? So it's kinda weird that the piece that I lost wasn't even painted. That sucks. I'm glad I have a backup one, but damn! That sucks. You have no idea how I lost that piece. So crappy. Well, I guess I almost lost the plate. I'm gonna double side tape that plate though, I think at this point. That sucks. The mirror of course being jacked up. Yeah. So first run through the car wash, not bad. But damn, gotta go find that other trim piece. Thank you for tuning into this entertaining video. The roof? At least it's not as dusty. Take care.